Hello, this is Crypto Neptune, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the most recent updates for Telcoin, and we're also going to look at and examine consumer appetite and what they look to invest in when they're looking at crypto projects. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, only use risk capital, and thank you to those who continue to support the channel. So, a couple of days ago, Telcoin put out this tweet, and it says digital cash is here, rolling out to limited markets today. Telcoin's multiple currency stablecoins will underpin the Internet of Money, on chain remittances, direct merchant payments, blockchain banking, and more. So that's a lot. The new Internet of Money, remittances, direct merchant payments, and blockchain banking. So there's a lot to unpack there with Telcoin. And when we go over to the website, a full update to the website, which is really on point for the MWC conference in Barcelona this week. So nice to see this update. And it says building the Internet of Money. Telcoin is revolutionizing global finance by uniting blockchain technology, digital banking, and telecommunications. And then you scroll down, you see like the Telcoin wallet. It talks about remittances, digital cash, and digital assets. Let's go to digital assets first so we can check Telcoin's price. And with Telcoin's price, as you can see, we're down 1.73% over the last 24 hours. So sitting at 0.00834. You do you with your investment and how you want to handle it. Anything sub 1 penny is, in my opinion, a bargain. And we're sitting at a $759 million market cap and 2.19 million in volume over the last 24 hours. So that's kind of where we're looking. So hoping to, again, from the bottom right now as it stands, it's a 8x. At one point we were up a 10x from the bottom. So we'll kind of see how things play out. But that's just a quick look at how we're looking with Telcoin's price. And let's go back to the beginning. So digital cash, this is what we want to look at. Digital cash, multi-currency stablecoins powering the Internet of Money and next generation mobile financial services. Now available in the Telcoin wallet. Yeah, so this is a game changer. It's kind of the equivalent of just handing physical cash to someone. And it talks about Telcoin Digital Asset Bank. And Telcoin Bank, a digital asset bank, aims to become the first real bridge between traditional finance and cryptocurrencies. Yeah, so that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to bridge traditional finance with cryptocurrencies and the first to do it. And I anticipate banks, different merchants, telecom providers, all wanting to partner with Telcoin. And then it says coming soon, the world's first regulated bank issued digital dollar. Telcoin EUSD coming in 2025 and issued by Telcoin Bank, a digital asset bank, is the first US dollar stablecoin issued by a regulated bank. So for me, I'm looking for this to maybe come out May or June, just kind of somewhere around the middle of the year. That's just my opinion. And then here, coming soon, EU. So EUR. Telcoin is preparing to release EUR and other digital cash stablecoins for the European Economic Area under an e-money institution in compliance with European Union MiCA. Yeah, so again, this is all cool, and then they will be, again, bridging traditional payment rails with blockchain technology. So this is huge, and then they have all the different digital cash is now live in the Telcoin wallet, currently on the Polygon network, with more networks coming soon. So this is interesting. So could this digital cash be used on Base? Could it be used on Ethereum? Could this digital cash be used, on Sonic and other layer one solutions? So I'd be interested to see kind of how this plays out. But we did see the move of Telcoin bridging over to the base chain, which is a game changer. Yeah, so this is all cool stuff. And then the one thing we got to think about is, again, Telcoin at full scale ramping up cross border payments, direct merchant payments, which is, a customer could go into a coffee shop and hand them and send them EUSD. So this is pretty cool here. And then, they talk about more about the blockchain banking. But I'm impressed with the huge facelift of the website and the level of detail and everything that they have here. And it says treasury management. So what is this talking about? Borderless digital cash is ideal for treasury management, enabling telecom groups and other multinationals to easily manage subsidiaries, suppliers, and vendor payments on chain. Yeah, so a lot to kind of do with that. And again, Telcoin has the partnership with GSMA, which they could leverage and tell them about their services. So it's all about networking and positioning yourself in the right way, and Telcoin has done that. So let's go back to the front page here. So we looked at this piece here. We looked at the digital cash, which is, these logos are cool. I love the way they have this all laid out and how they've explained it. But this could be massive with the remittances, with the stable coins, and with the telecom providers. And then it has the breakdown of kind of how all this looks, so that you can change between the different markets, and you can say 200. It'll kind of tell you the fee, but the short and sweet of it is you're going to be paying less using Telcoin's remittances. And the cool thing, I like the update to the newsroom. So not only do you get updates from the Telcoin team themselves, you're also going to see Telcoin news in which they have went out and spread the message. So this is the FinTech Times. This one here is Crypto News, American Banker, and any interview and things that they do will be right here. Here, let's click the newsroom real quick. Does it show anything else? Yeah, this is all cool. All this is like PR related and spreading the message of Telcoin. So that lets the community know that they're out there in the trenches, and they're out there, spreading the message of Telcoin. And then down here, there's more information. The Telcoin network, which is Telcoin's blockchain. So more information here, and that's kind of all aligned. And Telex, that's another piece of it where you can provide liquidity and earn, and essentially just earn some passive income. In volatile markets, with adding liquidity, it may not be the best, but when it's like a bear market, that's probably when you would benefit the most because the price is more stable and you won't be having all that impermanent loss. But let's go look at the Telcoin network real quick. Let's see. Is there anything new on here? They just have like the faucet. Yeah, it's just pretty much telling us the different phases of how they're rolling this out. They're in alpha mainnet and then beta mainnet. And another cool aspect about this is we already know that there's partnerships continuing to align with Telcoin. So if we scroll down, the gaming company, Bridging the Future of Gaming and Payments, they have aligned with Telcoin too. So why is that important? It's important because if they're building on the Telcoin network, that's just going to put more and more buy pressure on the gas token Telcoin. So if you have more and more and more merchants or companies on the Telcoin network, it's just going to bring that much more volatility to Telcoin and the Telcoin coin itself and make it more valuable. Yeah, so this is, and yeah, they did it. Matter of fact, they did a Spaces too with Telcoin and the gaming company a few days ago. So definitely tap into that. But yeah, that's definitely important. And it looks like they got, like I said, they have a faucet where you can click here and connect your wallet. And I think you can add the Telcoin network to your MetaMask or Ravi wallet. But you feel free to come here and kind of look around there. And getting over to, let's see if we can go back. Yeah, we're back here. So getting over to, so I asked Gronk, I said, divided into 5 categories, weighted up to 100%, what market appetite do crypto consumers have? I believe this is an important question to not only ask Gronk, but just kind of ask ourselves as we try to navigate this definitely changing crypto environment. So, speculative investments. So, 40% of people will put their money into speculative assets, meaning potential high returns in the short term. So, they're looking for that quick fix and they're looking for immediate returns. So, the categories for these would be new tokens, memes, and market pumps. So, where would Telcoin align with this from a speculative asset point? It wouldn't be a new token because it's not a new token. It wouldn't be a meme because it's not a meme, but market pumps. So, remember when a few weeks back when there was peak euphoria with Telcoin and we had the green candles, well, we had a lot of people bridging over, a lot of people talking about it. So the more and more speculation we can get on X and continue with that communication, the better. So market pumps, that's what we need for Telcoin, those green candles. And once the market flips back up, I believe we'll go that way. Because remember what happened is Bitcoin took a big pullback. So once Bitcoin took that big pullback, it kind of carried the assets with it. So it hasn't really per se been a big sell off on Telcoin because the majority, I mean, sure, people have been taking profits, but I think it's more so directly correlated with Bitcoin. So yeah, so we'll definitely be hoping for another moment where we have the green candles and the market pump and the speculation for Telcoin is high. And where could you get what other things are going to give you the speculation for Telcoin is essentially what they're building out and them going to Barcelona and talk and showing and demonstrating digital cash, demonstrating the Telcoin network, and that will drive up speculation. So we definitely look forward to MWC, that conference, and kind of what comes from that. Long-term investment, that's another one. Many Telcoin investors, not only will they be looking for some short-term gains as we try to go back up past all-time highs and beyond that, they will also be looking to have some of their Telcoin long-term too. So they're going to be buying and holding. So the majority of the investors that come into the market, they are looking for a long-term investment, and that's 25%. 15% are looking for utility. So that's payments, stablecoins, and remittances. And Telcoin is all three of these. So it'll be a payment solution in which you can send digital cash directly to a merchant. It'll be a stablecoin because they have all regulated backed stablecoins in all markets and in all markets in the world. And then remittance transfer payments, you'll be able to send money, digital cash cross border to your loved ones at cheap rates. So again, Telcoin is the thing you didn't know you need until you need it. So this utility would have to scream loudly from maybe an advertising perspective or maybe just a change in the appetite in the market environment. And then again, 10% goes to gambling and entertainment. So some people are just in it for fun. They throw a little bit of crypto here, crypto there into different projects just for fun. And then education and experimentation, that would probably be the 10%, maybe learning about crypto, just the basics of using like a digital wallet, doing trades, providing liquidity, maybe being kind of a little bit into DeFi, decentralized finance, trying to figure out how to earn some yield on different projects. So that's kind of how the breakdown is. So I hope that made sense of kind of where Telcoin could potentially be within these five categories. But that this is the mindset of the crypto consumer investor right now in the market. And you see like heavy people are drawn to speculative investments. How fast can I make this money? Or, oh my gosh, there's green candles on this project. How do I get some of this project? So I hope that made sense as we kind of navigate this crypto market and see what the future holds. So all in all, for me, right now is just kind of a waiting period. Some people still anticipate with Bitcoin that potentially that would go back up past that 109K mark and continue up in 2025. So I don't know. Let's see what happens in March. March, potentially we could see like a reverse back in the market, but only time will tell. And this is a pivotal moment for Telcoin as they just came back from Rwanda and they're now heading to Barcelona this week. So we'll see what comes of it, but we could see another push and more eyes on Telcoin in this market. So I want to thank you for listening to this video today, and thanks for stopping by.